Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up missed call text back in GoHighLevel. Missed call text back is a simple automation that sends an immediate SMS to anyone who calls your business and doesn't get through. It reassures callers that you saw their call, sets expectations for a call back, and often turns missed opportunities into booked conversations. This feature is especially useful for busy teams, appointment-based businesses, or service providers who want to maintain a professional and responsive image even when they can't answer every call in real time. Let's walk through how to turn it on and make it sound like your brand. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and opening the specific location where you want this feature enabled. This setting is location-based, so make sure you're in the right place. For example, if your business has multiple branches, setting it at the wrong location could send text from the wrong number, which might confuse your customers. From your dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where all of your communication and phone configurations live. Inside Settings, select Phone System. You'll see options related to your numbers, voice, and messaging at the top. Choose the Voice tab to access voicemail and call-related preferences. This tab is your central hub for managing all call handling behavior, including missed calls, voicemails, and routing preferences. In the Voice area, find the section labeled Voicemail and Missed Call Text Back. This houses the controls for both voicemail behavior and the automatic text back feature. This is where you can make sure your calls are always acknowledged, even if you're away from your desk. Next, open the Missed Call Text Back section. Here you'll see a simple control to enable Missed Call Text Back. Turn that on. Once enabled, GoHighLevel will automatically send a text whenever a caller doesn't connect with your team, helping you acknowledge the call right away. This quick response builds trust with your callers and reduces the chances of losing leads due to unanswered calls. Now, customize the message so it feels personal and useful. Keep it friendly, concise, and action-oriented. For example, confirm you missed the call, let them know you'll follow up shortly, and if appropriate, invite them to reply with a preferred time or quick question. You might say something like, "Hi, we noticed we missed your call. We'll get back to you shortly. Feel free to reply with the best time to connect." It's also a good idea to include normal office hours so callers know when to expect a response. This sets clear expectations and prevents frustration. For compliance and deliverability best practices, consider adding language that makes it clear they can opt out of text at any time, such as reply stop, to opt out. Including this not only meets regulatory requirements, but also builds trust with your audience. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Ensure your business phone number is properly connected to GoHighLevel so texts can send successfully. Keep the message under typical SMS character limits to avoid splitting across multiple messages, which can feel messy to the recipient. Use a tone that matches your brand, whether that's warm and conversational for small businesses or concise and professional for corporate settings. And if you see a save or update button, be sure to save your changes before leaving the page so nothing is lost. That's all there is to it. You've enabled missed call text back in GoHighLevel and tailored the message to your audience. With this in place, missed calls no longer mean missed opportunities, and every caller gets a prompt, helpful follow-up. Over time, this simple automation can improve customer satisfaction, boost appointment bookings, and strengthen your business reputation.